What must you be aware of when you see this road traffic sign? A. The entrance and exit point must be kept clear for amphibious vehicles. B. When dark or visibility is poor, water areas are hard to distinguish from the road. C. The road leads to the bank of a waterway. The correct answers are B and C. This sign warns that the road approaches water, which may be hard to see in poor light. A light signal with no level crossing sign is positioned before a level crossing and in front of a junction with a road to the right. The red light is illuminated. Where must you wait? A. At the stop line. B. I can drive up to the level crossing after watching out for other traffic. C. In front of the light signal if there is no stop line. Correct answers are A and C. When a red light is illuminated before a level crossing and there's no specific level crossing sign, you must stop at the stop line if it is present. If there is no stop line, then stop in front of the light signal. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. The end of the Autobahn. B. Temporary closure of the Autobahn. C. The end of the clearway for motor vehicles only. The correct answer is A. This sign indicates that you are leaving the Autobahn, motorway. After this point, motorway-specific rules, like minimum speed, no longer apply. What do you have to do when you see this traffic sign? A. Switch on the hazard warning lights. B. Take off your sunglasses. C. Switch on dipped headlights. The correct answers are B and C. This tunnel entry sign requires dipped headlights and no sunglasses for safe visibility. What do these traffic signs indicate? A. No stopping on the hard shoulder only. B. No stopping for trucks only. C. No stopping on the roadway and the hard shoulder. The correct answer is C. These signs prohibit stopping on both the roadway and hard shoulder. How should you act at a point of danger indicated by this sign? A. Maintain the greatest possible distance to the vehicle ahead. B. Avoid rapid acceleration. C. Avoid sudden maneuvers. The correct answers are A, B, and C. This hazard warning sign requires increased following distance, smooth driving, and no abrupt actions. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. A level crossing approximately 160 meters ahead. B. A level crossing approximately 80 meters ahead. C. A level crossing approximately 240 meters ahead. The correct answer is A. This advance warning sign indicates a railway crossing in 160 meters. You drive into a brightly lit tunnel indicated like this. What do you do? A. Drive with daytime running lights. B. Drive with dipped headlights. C. Drive without lights. The correct answer is B. German law requires dipped headlights in all tunnels, regardless of lighting conditions. What does this traffic sign combination indicate? A. Give way to oncoming traffic in 100 meters. B. Stop. Give way in 100 meters. C. Give way in 100 meters. The correct answer is B. This advance warning sign indicates a mandatory stop in 100 meters. Which vehicles are you allowed to overtake where you see this traffic sign? A. Car. B. Motorcycle without sidecar. C. Motorcycle with sidecar. The correct answer is B. This overtaking prohibition sign permits passing only single motorcycles.